change of the name from ACI to RAI Jets gives us our personality. It lets us go back to where we were, makes us feel at home and more opening to everybody. As we grew together, all of us 3 siblings started out in our early 20s.
The increased visibility of ACI changing to RAI is huge. We're bringing a better knowledge, we're bringing more people to see the airfield as it is. We're spreading out, reverse, we're moving. ACI was a company that was established and they had a good reputation, but we're bringing a better reputation. This company that we're moving forward with, RAI, is just going to be tremendously improved.
What sets us apart from other operators in the Fort Myers market is that, well, there are none. So it's a pretty good spot for us to start up.
So what makes this area very attractive to owners and operators is it's really central located down here. So you have Punta Gorda that's a little north of us, you have Naples that's a little south of us, but all the Fort Myers Beach and Fort Myers area, which is a large encompassed area of a lot of businesses, owners, snowbirds, and other people that own jets and do that, it makes it easier to fly out and access. It's very enjoyable and the location is just wonderful.
A very large part of our market has been moving people back and forth from up north to Florida. So it just seemed like a good move to start operating right out of Florida.
We brought in better procedures and the right people.
The knowledge, the improvements, the facility improvements. We've done a lot of facility adjustments for owners, clients, and everybody.
What makes this attractive to aircraft owners and operators here in Florida is the fact that there will be hangar space available to get your airplane inside, away from the sun and the harshness of Florida weather.
As far as the concierge service goes, we just take care of everything our passengers need.
I think where you have first-rate service, you have problems or there's an issue, it gets resolved 24 hours a day. Somebody's going to help you at RAI Jets.
The knowledge, the experience, the customer care, the all attention to detail with, we want to make your experience the best possible. We want to do what's right for the owners, for the clients, for everybody. And that's what we pride ourselves and strive to do.